Hi, this is Joe from powerofattorneyform.com, and today we're going to talk about the four main power of attorney forms in the state of Idaho. Now, if you don't know real quick what power of attorney is, it's just a legal document that allows somebody to make decisions, whether it be financial or medical, on your behalf. So, getting started, we're going to start all the way to the left, the Idaho Durable Power of Attorney form. Now, this form allows someone to act on another's behalf for any and all financial powers legal in the state of Idaho. Now, this form is valid, and this is what makes the form the most popular in the state, is that if this form, if the person becomes incapacitated or not able to think for themselves anymore, whether it be for dementia, Alzheimer's, or whatever these mind-altering diseases are, this form stays valid. So someone else can keep paying their bills for them and keep up to date with all their financial obligations because they just can't do it anymore. So this is a very helpful form, especially for our aging baby boomers who are getting into a lot of these situations where they know that maybe not right now, but in the near future there could be a chance where they just are not able to act for themselves. So a form that goes very well with this durable form is the Idaho Medical Power of Attorney form. Now, why this form is so good is because it does everything that the durable does except for all healthcare decision making. And you need a different form that you can download here for this medical decision making power. And all it does is it just gives somebody else the right to act for treatment decisions, facility decisions, and only if specifically instructed, the right to end medical treatment. So these two forms, a lot of times you'll see them together. They work very well and complement each other, one for financial, one for healthcare. Now going to the right, we have the general power of attorney form. This form is just like the durable, except for the fact that if the principal becomes incapacitated, this form becomes void. So the minute that the person's not able to think for themselves anymore, this is a non-factor. It's automatically void. So this is popular for, say you have a number of different properties, or you have a number of different businesses, or you have a manager that you want to handle all your business dealings, but yet you don't trust them enough where if you were to become incapacitated that you'd want this to be valid, then this form is for you. I see this form a lot with people who have businesses. They give this to their accountant because the tax code is endless, and so they just give this to their accountant, and hopefully their accountant's a trustworthy person and they can handle this kind of financial power and handle their banking and all that kind of necessity stuff that bogs down our days. But going forward to the right, the limited power of attorney form. This is a great form for real estate agents or anyone who's out of the office a lot, but at the same time you still get a lot of mail. This form is great because you give this to the person at the front desk, give them the power to accept all mail on your behalf, especially certified mail, and but it can be used for other things as well. It can be used so if you need someone to, say, pick up a car for you or register a car for you, or anything where you just want the person to do that one specific thing. You don't exactly want them to have the power to handle your banking or anything like that. Then this is a really good form for you. But that's a pretty good brief explanation of all four of these forms. If you want to get these forms legal, all you got to do is get these notarized. And to get something notarized, you're going to have to go down to the bank or just be, if you know a notary around you. But there's a notary at every branch bank in the United States. And I know Bank of America will do it for $8 to $10. And if you have an account there, they'll usually do it for free. But that's it. That is Idaho Power of Attorney forms.